Welcome students. Welcome to the online maths class of AIS. Today we are going to start division of fraction. So when we will do division of fraction, before starting the division of fraction, you have to know what is reciprocal of fraction. So to find out the reciprocal of fraction, we have to know what is numerator and denominator of fraction. Already we know these things. Now students, let us give one example of a fraction. Suppose the fraction is 5 by 8. We can see this fraction is a proper fraction. Now whenever from this fraction we will write its reciprocal. So its reciprocal will be 8 by 5. That means its denominator will go in the numerator and its numerator will come in the denominator. So this will be the reciprocal of fraction 5 by 8. Next students, we can give you one more example. Suppose only 19 is there. What is the reciprocal of 19? As we can see that 19 is a whole number, but if you have to find out the reciprocal of this 19, we can consider 19 as 19 by 1, because we know that 19 is actually 19 by 1. That means students, we can write this 1 in the numerator and this 19 in the denominator. That means the reciprocal of this 19 will be 1 by 19. Now students, let us consider one more example, 2 whole and 3 by 5. In this case, if you want to find out the reciprocal of this fraction, in first step you have to convert this one into improper fraction. So students, we know how to convert this in improper fraction. This will be 5 into 2, that means 10, plus 3, that means 13. So this will be 13 by 5. Now we can find out the from improper fraction we can find out its reciprocal. So students, its reciprocal will be this 5 will go in the numerator and this 13 will come in the denominator. That means it will be 5 by 13. Now we can do some division. Let us simplify. Let us simplify something. So let us give one example. Suppose it's 7 by 10 divided by 3 by 5 is there. Okay, so when this 7 by 10 and divided by 3 by 5 is there, students, be careful. We cannot divide this one with this until and unless we are converting this division sign. That means directly division is not possible. You have to convert this division sign into multiplication sign, then only you can do the division. So in that case, whatever is there in the first fraction, students, that is 7 by 10, we are going to write the same as it is given here. Then this division sign will become multiplication sign, and when it will become this sign, then this 3 by 5 we will not write, we will write reciprocal of 3 by 5, that means it will be 5 by 3. Now you can see that we can reduce this one, 5 2s are 10. So finally we will get 7 into 1, that is in the numerator. So 7 into 1 means 7 by 2 into 3, that means 6. 7 by 6. So this is not the final answer. You have to convert this one from these two, because this is improper fraction, so we can convert it into mixed fraction. So ultimately it will be 1 whole and 1/6. Let us consider one more example. Here I am writing the example C. 15 whole and 3/7 divided by 1 whole and 23/49. So first of all, you can see these two are in mixed fraction. So first of all, students, we have to convert both fraction from mixed fraction to improper fraction. So when we will convert this one from mixed fraction to improper fraction, then we will get 15 into 7 plus 3. That means it will be 108/7. 15 into 7. Then we will add 3. We will get 108/7. Then I am keeping this division sign until and unless I am converting it into improper, mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 49 into 1, then plus 23. So 49 into 1 means it's 49 only, plus 23 means we will get 72/49. 72/49 we will get. Now we can convert this division sign into multiplication sign, and now this one 72/49 will not write, will write the reciprocal of 72 and 4/49. That means it will be 49/72. Now students, you can see very easily that, you can understand very easily that this will be cancelled, because 7 sevens are 49 as we know. Now we can cancel this because these two are even. So we can cancel this by 2. But I am cancelling this one by 4, because I can see this is also divisible by 4. This is also divisible by 4. So if I am dividing 72 by 4, I will get 18. And when I will divide this one 108 by 4, I will get 27. So to give a clear view, I want to write these things again here. So it will be 27 into 7/18. Now students, you can see these two are divisible by 3. And these two are divisible by 9 also. So I am cancelling this one by 9. 9 2s are 18, and this one 9 3s are 21. So this will be 3 into 7, that means 21/2. Now we are going to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So we will get 10 whole and 1/2. Now students, suppose one more example is there. You can see the example I have written. It is written divide 63 by 2 whole and 1/4. So you can see 63, we have to divide 63 according to the question by this. That means 63 divided by 2 whole and 1/4. This will be our first step. We will write this one first. Then we have to convert this 2 whole and 1/4 from mixed fraction to improper fraction. So it will be 4 2s are 8 plus 1, that means 9/4. Now when we will divide this, we will write 63 into 4/9, because whenever I am giving the multiplication sign, after that I have to write the reciprocal of 9/4, and we know that reciprocal of 9/4 is 4/9. Now we know that 6 9s are 54, and 7 9s are 63, and here 63 is the in the numerator. There is nothing in the denominator of 63, that means only 1 is there, so we will get nothing in the denominator. Here also it will be 1 because 9 7s are 63, and here also 1 is present. That means this one will come 7 into 4, that means 28, divided by 1 into 1, that means only 1. So we will write 28 only. No need to mention here 28 by 1. We can do one more example. Suppose it is given 6 whole and 7 by 8, you have to divide it. So it will be written divide 6 whole and 7 by 8 by 11 by 16. So in this way also, students, the same way we will first convert this 6 whole and 7 by 8 from mixed fraction to improper fraction. So we know this one will be 6 into 8 plus 7. So it will be 6 into 8 means 48. 48 plus 7, it will be 55 by 8. Then in divided by 11 by 16. First we will give division sign. We will write this same thing whatever is there. Then 55 by 8 again will write. Then this division sign will not give. We will give multiplication sign now. And we will write reciprocal of 11 by 16, that is 16 by 11. So we will get, students, 11 5s are 55 and 8 2s are 16. That means there is only 1 into 1 in the denominator, and in the numerator 5 into 2. That means it will be actually 10 by 1. We will not write 10 by 1. We will write only 10. So 10 is the answer of this one. Thank you.